How much fat should be consumed daily? Many people think eating fat is unhealthy, but your body actually needs fat to function properly. Fat provides energy, supports brain health, helps absorb important vitamins, and protects your organs. The key is eating the right amount and choosing healthy sources. If you're wondering how much fat should be consumed daily, this guide will help you understand the recommended intake and make healthier food choices. 1. Daily fat recommendations. Experts recommend that 20% to 35% of your daily calories come from fat. Here are some examples. 2,000 calories per day, 44 to 78 grams of fat. 2,500 calories per day, 56 to 97 grams of fat. 1,800 calories per day, 40 to 70 grams of fat. Since every gram of fat contains 9 calories, your ideal intake depends on your age, activity level, and health goals. 2. Choose healthy fats. Not all fats are bad. Healthy fats provide important nutrients and may help protect your heart. Good sources include avocados, olive oil, nuts and seeds, salmon, tuna, and other fatty fish, natural peanut or almond butter. Including these foods in your meals can support overall health. 3. Limit unhealthy fats. Try to reduce foods that contain high amounts of saturated and trans fats. These include fried foods, fast food, processed snacks, commercial baked goods, fatty processed meats. Eating these foods less often may help improve heart health and maintain healthy cholesterol levels. 4. Tips to meet your daily fat needs. Follow these simple habits. 1. Cook with healthy oils instead of butter. 2. Read nutrition labels before buying packaged foods. 3. Eat fish at least twice a week. 4. Enjoy nuts and seeds as snacks in moderate portions. 5. Balance your meals with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Knowing how much fat should be consumed daily can help you build a healthier diet. Most adults should aim for 20% to 35% of their daily calories from fat, while focusing on healthy sources like olive oil, nuts, avocados, and fish. By eating the right amount of fat and limiting unhealthy options, you can support your heart, brain, and overall well-being while maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.